Hello and welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Today we will be answering the following question. I want to buy a new guitar and I want to be able to play all kinds of different music styles with it. What do you suggest? So this is a very nice question and something that I hear very often. It's a question that I get asked all the time from intermediate to advanced players that are interested in learning even more things about the guitar, and they want to play different kinds of styles, and they're looking for their holy grail of electric guitar, an instrument that they're going to buy and they're going to be able to play all kinds of different styles with that instrument. Well, guys and girls, I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but this instrument does not exist. There is no single instrument that you're going to be able to play all kinds of different styles in a high level by just using that one. You need to use different instruments. The best way to think about it is to see something totally outside guitar and think of cars. Like for example, a car like a Porsche, another car like a minivan, which would be very good for a family, a Jeep that would be a very nice car if you're going to be going off-roading, or even a semi-truck that's really good if you're driving in specific places and you need to carry stuff on the back and things like that. So you have like 4 different cars: a Porsche, a very fast sports car, and the other 3 I just mentioned. Is it possible to find one car that's going to do all those things in an equally high level? As I mentioned earlier, the answer is no. The same way that it's not possible to do everything with one car, it's not possible to do everything with one single guitar. So what are you going to do? So out of the different styles you're going to be playing with the instrument you're going to buy, some of them you can play them with the same instrument. Like you can definitely play blues and rock and hard rock music with the same instrument. However, for the other styles, you will need to have a different instrument. So for 2 or 3 or maybe even 4 styles, using the same instrument would be okay. What I suggest is the following. Buy a guitar that is going to be the best at the style you aim to be concentrating on for the next few months or possibly even the next couple of years. Then, if during this period you decide to change your musical direction, either sell the guitar and buy another one or buy an additional guitar that's going to be ideal for this new style. A very good way to do that and to make sure that you don't risk too much money, too much of your capital, is to buy a good quality used guitar. If you're not an advanced or an intermediate player, you might not be able to understand which guitar is good or not. In this case, you should get the help of your guitar teacher. So there you have it. In my opinion, you cannot have one guitar that's good for every single musical style that you might want to play. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Bye.